How to open up a Snap and take a screenshot without them knowing. First, check the Snapchat app is up to date. Then open it. Then you will see the chat icon at the bottom. Click it. Now I have to open this Snap. Let's open it. You can see I opened Snap but the notification went to my friend. I'll tell you a trick that will open Snap without them knowing. I have to open the Snap of my friend without him knowing. Step 1. Turn on the flight mode before opening the Snap and taking screenshot. Turn on the flight mode. Now I will open this friend's Snap. After opening Snap and taking a screenshot, close Snapchat and uninstall it. Turn on your internet and open your Play Store. Search Snapchat app and install. Open Snapchat application and log in. As you can see, the chat is still unseen. And you can see I took the screenshot but he didn't know.